Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking an available terminal and tapping Start or Scan items so the machine is live. Once done, present your shopping basket and scan each barcode. This registers prices and prevents weight mismatches. Make sure to open any sealed items before scanning if required, and place scanned items in the bagging area so the scales confirm them. If you have vouchers or a loyalty app, get them ready now to apply at payment. You continue by scanning systematically. Heavy items first, then fragile ones, because that keeps the bagging area stable and avoids reweighing. If an item lacks a barcode, enter the PLU code shown on the produce label. This ensures correct price. Once scanned, place items on the scale immediately so the terminal validates the weight. When you hit prompts for age-restricted goods, be ready to show ID. Staff may be called to verify. You finish by choosing your payment method and following the screen. Insert chip, tap contactless, or feed cash if accepted. Make sure to remove your card and take the receipt. Check notes for offers or bag credits. If the machine flags a weight error or a barcode won't scan, call the attendant. They can override or reweigh items. If payment fails, try contactless or chip again, and if still unsuccessful, use the staff till to complete the purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.